An egg white omelet stuffed with superfood spinach. Now that's what I call green energy. This is for now. But first, shallots. Capers. It's not an omelet without a filling. So spinach, capers, and shallots of shopping. Can we talk? I know everyone loves ketchup, but there's so much sugar. Here's my take. Sun-dried tomatoes.
Just come to me. Let's see how far we can make it. Come on and get funky. We're gonna get high tonight. We're gonna get down, down, down. We're gonna get funky. We're gonna get high tonight. We're gonna get down, down, down. Come on and get funky.
That color. How's that for homemade ketchup? Let's make an egg white omelet, shall we? Light and lovely, just like me. I think it's less intimidating than a regular omelet because the egg white sets up much faster. So, in a lot of big restaurants, chefs test out their new hires by asking them to make an omelet. The simplest things in the world can be the most difficult sometimes. This, however, no fuss, no mess, and no sweat. Crumbled feta. Feta is not just for dinner, also for breakfast. Just a little flip. Delish. So light and fluffy. All that spinach and the toppings and that ketchup sure packs a punch.